These mist-covered mountains are a home now for me, but my home is the lowlands, and always will be. Someday you'll return to
For me, it feels like
your
time is
valleys and your farms, and you'll no longer burn to your brothers in arms.
Yeah, it is a toughened glass. It is a proper rack. It's not a... We put a different piece of music on as well if you want. That's it. Is it all right? Yeah. Dodge the screws. We'll just play that again. It's quite true. It's very big move, really.
These mist-covered mountains are a home now for me, but my home is the lowlands,
You want to try the cable lifters out?
and always will be.
Yeah, I've no idea, because I mean, the cable lifters definitely depends on the cable as well. All we've done is set it up to sound right to do the demo with the one bit.
Your
This is a
valleys
cable
and
that
your
we've been thinking of introducing to the market.
and you'll no longer
It's called
burn
Time Lord.
to be brothers
No,
in
it's
arms.
the actual core was manufactured and designed
These fields
by
of
Japanese
destruction, baptism of fire.
We've got access to it, so we've been looking at it. It's a
I watched all your suffering
It's quite interesting. Very
as
high
the
speed.
battles rage high.
Cable risers.
Yeah, let's take them out.
Well, this will be a learning point for us as well.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah.
Well, we haven't tried this cable with it.
So that's still running in the cable then, is it?
No, this is about. It's there now.
Oh, right, it is.
You guys are 3 times the size of us as a business.
You can make, I can send you a thing, you can make one.
No, send a circuit, I'll make
Yes,
one.
that's what I'm saying. It's only,
Yeah.
it's only electric fans.
Yeah.
That's all it is. Just a high capacity discharge.
Go on again.
Yeah.
All the vocals changed, all the chestiness.
It's done exactly the same as what the Fender does.
It's weird.
Which is,
Yeah, no, it's as I say, I was a skeptic to cable risers.
And they do work, but there's sometimes it depends on the client, but they want to see them as the thing.
These
Our biggest interest at the moment are coming from the cable risers because they look elegant as well.
they do.
Are a home
Yeah.
now for
It's got,
me,
excuse me on this amp, it's got good wife acceptance factor.
but my home
My wife
is the
thinks it great.
lowlands,
It's like a bit of art.
and
Should we put back
always
in?
will
Yeah,
be.
that's very. Now I know what they're capable of doing. Yeah, that's interesting.
And what's, as I say, what's nice about what we're trying to do is it is actually a system.
you know, you're not stuck with one bit. Just give it a little push in,
No.
Tony, yeah?
You have to do a holistic approach.
Yeah. Otherwise, you're just doing what everybody else is doing.
So you have to push them in a little bit.
Yeah,
Just
I
to
do.
help
transfer some
of that energy
through.
There you go.
The question is this
Because of the material we're using, we believe, again, you've got more measuring equipment we believe it's draining the glass and the nylon mix. It's transferring.
These mist-covered mountains are a home now for me. But my home is the lowlands, and always will be. Someday you'll return to your valleys and your farms, and you'll no longer burn to be brothers in arms.
Put some different music on
Through these
for you.
fields
We've
of
got we've got the SBLs in the Alpha Velvets in here.
baptism
And
of
we're using,
fire,
as you can see, just the iPhone power panels and that on there.
I
Sensati.
watched all your
And
suffering
on the network we're using for the first time.
as the
Live
battles
guitars
rage
right now. It's
high.
very, very cool. No-brainer. Absolutely.
And though
works.
they did hurt me so bad, troubles were churning, trouble with that dress that's as black as my heart on this train. Troubles are churning, trouble with those lips that's as red as blood in my veins. Trouble, you know it. Trouble, soft target. Troubles what you're in. Trouble, yeah. 'Cause it's a long way to London Bridge in them heels, baby. Trouble, churn. 'Cause it's amazing how much one look can reveal. Yeah. Trouble, you know it. soft target. Trouble, I'm sure I'm back. Trouble, 'cause I've been waiting for just one love. Trouble, you know it. Trouble, soft target. Pleasure. Love is a doing word, fearless on my breath. Gentle impulsion shakes me, makes me lighter, fearless on my breath. Teardrop on the fire, fearless on my breath. Whoa.